Good day everyone, and now let's discuss about the main and fragile masculinities. And now let's find out about the mean and fragile masculinities. One buzzword that surrounds masculinity involves what is called fragile masculinities, where men have the privilege of being the generic template of a human being, showing that masculinity can be easily lost. Masculinity is often seen as the normal way of being man, but it is fragile because it can easily feel threatened or lost. Like, for example, a man feels bad when asked to do house chores. Another example, a boy is teased for crying. The gender role conflict skill, or GRCS, shows that challenges to masculinities, stress, anxiety, and negative emotions, and because men are socialized, precarious manhood arises as women change their roles, making it harder for men to maintain their identity since masculinity is easily challenged while womanhood is viewed as more stable and secure. As women gain more roles in society, some men feel confused about their identity because masculinity is easier to question than womanhood. Like, for example, a man feels uncomfortable with female boss. Another example is some men avoid jobs like nursing because they think it's for women. To the responsibility of men. What is the responsibility of men? Michael Kimmel explains that women's equality remains only a partial victory because men's behaviors and attitudes are the main obstacle in politics, military, workplace, professions, and education. Um, According to Michael Kimmel, men's actions and attitudes can stop women from having equal rights in school, work, and society. Like, for example, a woman is not hired even she is qualified. Another example, women are not taken seriously when they report harassment. Men must shift their attitudes toward gender equality and recognize that being allies benefits them and cooperation between both gender is needed to change sexist culture. Need to change men's attitudes because men should support equality and treat women fairly. Like, for example, a man helps with cooking and taking care of children. Another example, a male student stop friends from making sexist jokes. Now let's proceed. Women have experienced major changes in society, while men's rights and experience in work and sexuality have remained mostly the same. Um, this, this, the example of this is the women working in many professional jobs right now, but one of the main reason because the men are women are not like or the same into the men's. Now let's proceed. Men define their masculinity through separation of women, leading to confusion, adapting to changing gender roles. This means gender identity confusion. Some men feel confused because they think being a man, not acting like women. Like for example, a man feels shy to work under a female boss. He is not comfortable. Another example, men avoid jobs like nursing or caregiving because they are always thinking that jobs is only for women. And the last is traditional masculinity may be harmful and changing or ending it may be necessary for global gender equality. Culture redefine masculinity. All ideas about masculinity should change to make society fair for everyone. Like for examples, men are okay to show emotion like sadness. Another example, fathers help equally in raising children. That's the that we call culture redefined masculinity. And that's all of my part, and the next topic will be tackled for the next reporter. Thank you for listening and God bless.